one more time, but with feeling.
Okay.
No. Black.
What's that supposed to be?
This color song.
A colored song?
Colors.
Colors?
Mm-hmm. What came after Pink?
See my leaf? Done good, did I?
What comes after Pink? I didn't hear that part.
It's been colored.
No.
Colored.
See, sing it nice, because you sing it so rough that I don't hear what you're saying.
Okay.
Alright, sing it nice.
Wait.
Sing it with your nice voice.
Wait. A minute. Walk, keep it on me.
When you walk, keep it at you? Okay. Alright. Sing it nice.
God, what do you have to say?
Huh?
What do you have to say?
I just have to say, sing it nice. Okay.
Okay. Red is rojo, green is verde, purple marala, brown cafe. That's how Riley sings it.
Oh, well, what's yellow?
A yellow area, blue azure. I did this. Blue azure.
Alright, what's after blue?
Pink is rosado, orange avocado, white is blanco,